Hi, it's me, the one YouTuber you subscribe to that hasn't uploaded in 80 years. But I'm here to tell you, my friend, that does not matter, since we're back on the track and we are playing Grand Peace Online, a game based on the popular anime or manga One Piece by Eiichiro Oda. Today I'm going to show you how to get the black leg fighting style used by Sanji in the manga or anime. First, you're gonna need yourself a boat, any type of boat, and you're gonna need yourself 9,000 money. For those who don't know, I'm going to call money Pelly because that's how it's called in the game. So let's go to our adventure to show you the beautiful place where we buy this beautiful fighting style. My ship is slow because someone beat it to death. Sad, ain't it? I'll just cut the video until we're there. See ya! And we've arrived to our destination. Our beautiful, beautiful destination, the Barati. So here you'll meet a lot of very buff enemies. So don't get yourself killed. Like I am almost getting myself killed. Run! Run, little me. You're gonna... Ouch. This guy's following me. So you're just going to come to this side. You're gonna climb this ladder. And this other ladder. And you're gonna see this guy. You're gonna talk to him. He's gonna offer you black leg. He's not gonna say what he said to me because I learned all his skills. But he's gonna offer you black leg, and you're gonna have to pay him 9,000 pelly, and you're gonna have black leg, and you're gonna see all of these boxes right here, and they'll have a specific number where their keybind is. So this where E is, there should be a 1. So that would mean you have to get to Black Leg Mastery 1, which is in your skills. So you'll have to level up, get 3 skill points, and put them into Black Leg Mastery. And that, my friends, is how you get Black Leg in Grand Peace Online. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell. See you later. Bye.